The next is the third question. A convex mirror used on a moving automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a truck is following it at a constant distance of 4.5 meter, find the position, the nature and the magnification for the image. So first you should read the question 2 times and write the given terms. Okay. So what's the question? It is a convex mirror. So first you have to write it. What type of a mirror? So it is a convex mirror. So it is a which mirror? Convex mirror. Convex mirror. And also recall the new concepts and convention in your mind. And read the question. A convex mirror used on a automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meters. So it has a radius of curvature. So radius of curvature means R. R is equal to what? 3 meters. So here the question is given in meter. Okay. So the radius of curvature in 3 meter. If a truck is followed it at a constant distance of 4.5 meter. So a truck is followed by that automobile at a distance, constant distance of 4.5 meter. So here constant distance of 4.5 meter means the object distance. Here the object is a truck. So the object distance is what? 4.5 meter. So U is equal to what? 4.5 meter. So here it is a convex mirror. So the radius of curvature is what? Positive. Okay. Then what happened to object distance? Object distance what? Negative. So you have to put the negative sign. So U is equal to what? Negative 4.5 meter. Then what's the question? You have to find out the position. Position means V. Okay. Then the nature and magnification of the image. Okay. Then how can find out image distance? So first you have to find out the focal length. Then how can find a focal length? You know that F is equal to what? R by 2. So which is equal to what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is what? 1.5 meter. Okay. So F is equal to what? 1.5 meter. Okay. Then you have to use the mirror formula. So what's the mirror formula? Mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to what? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay. So what is 1 by F? F means 1.5 meter. So it is also a positive term because in convex mirror the focal length is also positive. So it is 1 by 1.5 which is equal to 1 by V plus what is 1 by U? 1 by minus 4.5. Okay. Then how can you find out V? So you have to taking 1 divided by minus 4.5 to other side. So it is become positive. So it is 1 by 4.5 plus 1 by 1.5 is equal to what? 1 by V. And you have to cross multiply and to find out the V. Okay. So that is 1 by V is equal to what? 1 into 1.5. That is 1.5 plus 1 into 4.5. That is 4.5 divided by 4.5 into 1.5. So what is 4.5 into 1.5? So it is 6.75. So what is 1 by V? So 1 by V is equal to 1.5 plus 4.5 is what? It is 6.0 divided by 6.75. Okay. So what is V? V is equal to 6.75 divided by 6. So you have to solve this one. So answer is 1.12 meters. So the question, all terms are in meters. So the answer, the position of the image is in meter also. So the answer is 1.12 meter. Okay. So he just see. So it is a positive sign. So what is the meaning of positive sign? So positive sign means the image is virtual and erect. Okay. But you have to find out the magnification also. Then you have to say the nature of the image. So what's magnification? M is equal to minus v by u. So what is minus v? So it is minus v means 1 point positive 1.12 divided by what is u? U means negative 4.5. Okay, so negative is positive, so you have to solve this one. You got the answer positive 0.25. so the magnitude, there is no units, so it is 0.25. so what's the meaning of negative sign? That means the image is, so nature of the image is what? Virtual and erect. Okay, so the image is virtual, erect and smaller in size by a factor of 0.25. that means 1/4 than the object. Okay, so see the fourth question. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. So first you have to read the question 2 times and then write what are the terms given in that question. Okay, so read the question. An object 4 cm in size. So what is 4 cm? So 4 cm means object size, that is HO. HO is equal to what? HO is equal to 4 cm. Okay, then it is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. So it is a concave mirror. So it is a concave mirror and its focal length is 15 cm. So f is equal to 15 cm. So what is the sign of the focal length of a concave mirror? It is negative. So it is negative 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? So what is the thing you have to find out from this question? That is image distance. So v, you have to find out v from this question and also find the nature and the size of the image. So how can you find out v? First you have to write the mirror formula. Okay, so what is the mirror formula? 1 by f. So first you have to write mirror formula. Mirror formula is equal to 1 by f is equal to what? 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, then substitute the values. So what is 1 by f? So 1 by f means 1 by minus 15, which is equal to 1 by v plus what is u? Sorry, I not right here. So what is, just read the question. What is u? That object is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. So what is 25 cm? 25 centimeter means object distance, that is u. U is equal to what? 25 centimeter. So it is negative. So u is equal to what? Negative 25 centimeter. So substitute the values. 1 by minus 25. Okay. So that question, focal length is given, u is given, and also one more term, height of the object is also given. So if u and v are given, then you have to use the mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, and substitute the values. Then you have to find out the third term. Third term means image distance. So 1 by v. So what is 1 by v? That is, you have to take in 1 by minus 55 to r side. So it is becomes what? Positive. Positive 1 by 25. So 1 by v is equal to what? 1 by v is equal to 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15. Okay. Then cross multiplication. 1 into 15 means 15 minus 25 divided by 25 into 15 is what? 375. That is, it is minus, what is the value? 15 minus 25 means minus 10 divided by 37, 375. So what is v? V is equal to 375 divided by 10. So it is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So the question is, so the answer is V is equal to what? 37.5 centimeters. So it is negative sign, indicates that the image is what? Real and inverted. But you have to find out the magnification also. So how can you find out magnification? M is equal to what? M is equal to H what? Hi by Ho, which is equal to minus V by U. So which is equal to minus 37.5 divided by U. What is the value of U? U is minus 25. Okay. So which is equal to minus 37.5 divided by 25. Okay. So what's the value? Which is equal to minus 1.5. So magnification has no units. So the negative sign is indicates that the image is what? Real and inverted. Okay. Then also you have to find out the height of the image. So minus V by U is what? Minus 1.5. So you have to write minus 1.5 is equal to what? Hi divided by Ho is given. So what is the value of Ho? It is 4 centimeter. Okay. So what is Hi? Hi is equal to minus 1.5 into 4, which is equal to what? 6 centimeter. Okay. So the image is real and inverted, and the height of the image is 6 centimeter. Okay.